Students, in your previous class you have studied about Indian and international system. Okay, now let us learn about place value and face value. Okay, what is face value? Face value is the value of the digit in a number, or we can say that the face value is the digit itself. Let us take example. Here I have taken 4-digit number 2649. Okay, if I say what is the face value of 9 here, according to our definition, the face value is the digit itself. So face value of the number 9 will be the digit itself. So let us see here, face value of 9 is 9. So can you tell me, children, what will be the face value of 4? So face value of 4 is the digit itself. That means it is 4. Okay, tell me, what is the face value of 6? Face value of 6 is 6. What is the face value of 2 here? Face value of 2 is the digit itself. That means it is 2. Okay, students. Now, I think you have understood what is face value. So, what is face value? Face value is the digit itself. Okay, friends, let us see what is place value. Place value is also called as a local value. The place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, or we can say that the place value of digit in the number is the product of the digit and the value of that place. That means we take product of digit and the value according to the place. Let us take here example. I have taken here 6-digit number. 6-digit number means it is 4,30,760. Okay, let us write down this in position. Now 6 is in 1's position, 1 is at 10's position, 7 is at 100 position, 0 is at 1000 position, 3 is at 10,000 position, and 4 is lakh position. So what will be the place value of, let us see here, 6? 6 means what? The product of digit and the value of its position. Here the value of the position is what? Ones. 6 ones. 6 ones means what? 6 into 1. 6 into 1 is 6. Okay, what will be the place value of 1 here? The place value of 1 is the product of digit and its value of its place. So here 1 tenths. 1 tenths means 1 into 10, 10. Place value of 7 is 7 into 100. 7 into 100 become 700. The place value of 0 is the product of digit and its value of that place. So 0,000. 0,000 means 0 into 1000 become 0. The place value of 3 is product of 3 and 10,000. 3 and 10,000 means 3 into 10,000. Now 3 10,000. 3 10 become 30,000. And the place value of 4 is 4 lakh. So answer is 4 lakh. Now let's see how to compare the numbers. Now students, you already know how to compare the numbers. Let us see once again. Let us revise. Two numbers when compared are either equal or one is greater than other or one is smaller. When we compare two numbers, either both the numbers will be equal or one is greater than other or one is smaller than other. Now to compare the number, we have to follow two rules. Let us see rule number 1. If the two digits have different number of digits, now digits are different, then the number with larger number of digits is greater. Now let us see example. Here I have taken 537 and 98. Now if you see in this two number, 537 is 3-digit number and 98 is 2-digit number. So this 3-digit number, this comes 537 and this is 98. That means 537 is greater than 98 because this is 3-digit number and 2-digit number. 3-digit number is greater than 2-digit number. So we say 537 is greater than 98. In symbolic we can write down 537. In symbol we write down greater and this 98 which is smaller. Now let us take another example. Now here we have taken 2,59,467, and the another one example is 10,35,729. Now if you see children, here it is 2 lakh and here it is 10 lakh. If you see 2 and 10 lakh, or we can see this number is 6 digit number and this number is 7 digit number. So 7 digit number is greater than 6 digit number. So 10,35,729 has larger number of digit as compared to 2,59,467. That means we can say that 10,35,729 is greater than 2,59,467. We write down in symbolic like this way. Okay. Now step rule 2. If two numbers have equal number of digit, now here the digit are equal. Now whatever the number of digits are there, they are equal. Then here we have to follow 2 steps. Now what is step 1? Now first thing, we have to compare the digit at the leftmost place in both the number, and the number with larger digit will be greater than the number with smaller digit. Here we are having 2 steps. Now let us see example. Now here I have taken 2 digit number. This is 45 and 36. Now if you see, both are 2 digit number. Now what is our first step? First step is we have to compare the leftmost place. In 45 the leftmost place is 4 and in 36 the leftmost place is 3. So here 4 is greater than 3. As 4 is greater than 3, that means your 45 is greater than 36. Now let us take one big number, larger number. Now if you see here, this is 53,43,262. 95,67,098. Both the numbers are having equal number of digit. Here in 53,43,262, here we are having 7 digit number, and in 95,67,098 is also 7 digit number. Now first step is what? We have to compare the leftmost place. In 53,43,262 leftmost place is here 5, and in the next number here it is 9. If you see, 5 is less than 9. 5 is less than 9, that means 53,43,262 is smaller than 95,67,098, or we can say 98 is greater than 53,43,262. Now let us see what is step number 2. In the step number 2, the digit at the leftmost place are also the same. Now when the digit at the leftmost place are same, then we have to compare with the second digit number from the left. The number having the larger digit will be greater. If the second digit from the leftmost place are again same, then we have to compare third digit number from the left. The number having the larger digit will be greater, and like this way, in this way manner we have to continue our steps. Now let us see example. Here we have taken 2 numbers. In 2 numbers, both the numbers are having equal number of digit. Now if you see here, this is 5 lakh. In the second number is also 5 lakh. Okay, both are same. Come to the second digit number from the leftmost place. Here it is 2 and in the second number is 7. Okay, both are not same. 8 is greater than 7. That means we can say that 5,82,965 is greater than 5,76,382. Okay, now let's take another example. Now here we have taken 2 numbers which is 6 digit number. Both are 6 digit number. Okay, now what we have to see? We have to see the leftmost place. In this number the leftmost place is 7 and in the second number the leftmost place is 7. Again both are equal. Now what we have to do? We have to go to the second digit number from the leftmost place. Okay, the next number is 5. Again 5, they are equal. Now we have to go to the third digit number from the left, which is 3, and here it is 6. So 3 is smaller than 6. That means 7,53,426 is smaller than 7,56,435. Okay student, do you understand how to compare this number? Now let us solve exercise 1.2. Question number 1, compare the following and filling the blank with the given symbol here. Let us first one. First one is, this is ones period, thousand period, lakh period, crores period. Again in this number, ones period, thousand period, lakh period and crore period. Now what we'll do, we'll compare the leftmost place. Here the leftmost place is 4, here is also 4. The next place is 39, next is also 39. Again they are same. Now come to the next number. Next number is 60. In this number is also 60. Both are same. Come to the ones place. Here it is 230. Here is 231. That means we can say that 231 is greater. So your answer is 4 crores 39 lakh 60,231 is greater than 4 crores 39 lakh 60,230. Now let's see the B1. Okay, first we'll see. This is ones place, thousand, lakh, crores. Ones, thousand, lakh, crores. Okay, they are equal number of digit. Now let us see crores place. This is 93, 93. They are same. Come to the lakh place. 29 lakh here. Here is also 29 lakh. Come to the thousand place. 54,000, 54,000. Okay, they are also again same. Now come to the ones place. Here is 20 and here is 123. That means 123 is greater than 20. That means 39 crores 29 lakh 54,123 is greater. Let's come to C1. Now again see here, ones, thousand, lakh and crores. Here also ones, thousand, lakh, crores. Again both are having equal number of digits. Now let us see crores. Here is 25 crores, 25 crores, 69 lakh, 69 lakh, 87,000, 87,000, 799, 798. If you see 7, 7, 9, 9 and the ones place is 9 here, the one place is 8. That means 9 is greater than 8. That means 25 crores 69 lakh 87,799 is greater than 25 crores 69 lakh 87,798. Okay, let's comes to D1. D1 is here ones, thousand, lakh, crores, ones, thousand, lakh, crores. Okay, let's see 72 crores, 72 crores. They are same. 43 lakh, 16 lakh. Here 43 is greater than 16. That means this whole number is greater than this number. So your answer is. Now let's comes next question. Ones, thousand, lakh, crores, 1,000 lakh, crores. Okay, this is 7 crores. In this also 7 crores, 34 lakh, 34 lakh, 21,000, 21,000. Okay, this is 967, 967. Both the numbers are same. That means they are equal. Now let's comes next one. Next one is here 9 crores, 64 lakh, 32,119. 9 crores, 64 lakh, 32,111. If you see here 9 crores, 64 lakh, 32,000, 32,000. This is 119, 111. Here 11, 11 and 919. That means this is greater. Now let's see question number 2. What is given in the question number 2? In this given number, you have to write down the place value and the face value of the following digit. Okay, here the digits are given. Here the digit is given 4. Now where is 4 here? Okay, in this number, this is ones, thousand, lakh and crores. 4 is at crore place. So what is your place value of 4 here? The place value of 4 is the product of digit. Digit means 4 and the value of that place. So value of that place is crores place. That means it is 4 crores. So we write down 4 crores and face value is the same digit itself. So answer is 4. Okay. Now the digit 3. Where is digit 3 here? This is 37 lakh. 30. That means this 3 is at 30 lakh. So the place value is here 30 lakh and the face value is digit itself. So answer is 3. Now let us see digit 2. Now digit 2 is here at tens place. So tens place means what? 2 into 10 become 20. So answer is here 20 and the face value is digit itself. So answer is 2. Okay, let's see question number 3. Find the difference between place value of the underlying digit in each of the following number. Now let us take first one. Now here the number is given. This number is underlined also. Here the 2 is underlined, 3 is underlined, but from this it's become very difficult to find out the answer. So first what we'll do, we'll write down this number as it is and we'll place the comma. Now when we place the comma, we came to know that this is ones place, this is thousand, this is lakh and crore. So we can say that this is 2, means this is what? 20,000 and 3 is 3 tens 30. So the place value of 2 will write down first. What is the place value of 2 here? 2 and 10,000. 2 10,000 means 2 10 means 20,000 and the place value of 3 is at tens place, so 3 tens become 30. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the difference. So what will be the difference? Difference means what? We have to subtract 20,000 minus 30. So 20,000 minus 30. Come on children, tell me what will be the answer? 20,000 minus 30. So 20 minus 30 will become 19,970. Now let us see another one. Again see, so big number, this is very large number. So this larger number we'll place it according to Indian system by placing comma. Okay, now what we'll write down first? We'll write down here the place value of 5. What will be the place value of 5? This is ones, thousand, lakh. That means this is 5 lakh. So the place value of 5 is 5 lakh. And the place value of 9 is at ones place. So the place value of 9 is 9 ones 9. And what we want to find out? Difference. So difference will be what? 5 lakh minus 9. So student, just tell me what is the answer. 5 lakh minus 9 become, this 5 will become here 4 lakh 99,900 and this will become 10 minus 9 become 1. So 1. So it will become 4 lakh 99,991. So this is your answer. Okay children, do you understand what is question, what we have done question number 1, 2 and 3, how to compare the numbers and how to find out the place value and the difference? Okay, now let us see what is ascending order and descending order. Now what is ascending order? Student, you have learned from the lower class. Ascending order means what? We arrange the numbers from smaller to greater number. We arrange these numbers from smaller number to bigger number. And what is descending order? To arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay, let's see how to compare the number. Here some numbers are given. Now look here. This is the first number, which is 7-digit number. This is second number, which is 8-digit number. Third 7-digit number. Fourth one is 8-digit number, and fifth one is 8-digit number. Now students, you have to write down in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So we are going to write down first the smallest number. Now if you see the smallest number here, by seeing this we can understand that this 7 and 7, these are the two smaller number. Now let us compare these two number. Now here we are having these two numbers. See here, I have written here 54,32,972. And here is 52,23,791. These two numbers are the smallest number as compared to these all 5 numbers. Now let us compare these two numbers. Out of these two numbers, let us see which is the smallest number. So if you see here, this is lakh, 54 lakh, and this is 52 lakh. So obviously 54 is greater than 52. See here, 5 same number, 4 2, 4 is greater than 2. We can think this way also, 54 and 52, 54 is greater than 52. So we can say that this whole number 54 lakh 32,972 is greater than this. That means 52 lakh 23,791 is the smaller number than out of these 5 numbers. We write down it like this way. Now students, we got here the two smallest number. Now the next number we have to compare, which is 8-digit number. Now here we are having three numbers having 8-digit number. Now if you see the leftmost place, here it is 2, here 2, and here is 5. So obviously we can say that these two numbers are smaller number as compared to this. 5 is the here biggest number. So let us compare these two numbers. I'll write down here. Now just see, I have taken here number. Now if you see, here is 2 crores, here 2 crores, which is same. Come to the next leftmost place. Leftmost place, here is 3, and in this number is also 3. That means they are also same. Now let's come to the third digit number from the left. Here it is 1. In the next place is also it is. Next number is also 1. They are also again same. Now we have to go to the next fourth digit number, which is here 6, and here is 8. If you see here, 8 is smaller than 6. That means 2 crores 31 lakh 82,634 is the smaller number than 2 crores 31 lakh 66,293. And the last number, this is 5 crores 43 lakh 44,722 is the greatest number. So we write down in ascending order in this way. Now same number we'll write down in descending order. Descending order means what? Biggest number to smallest number. Now out of this is the biggest number and this is the smallest number. So we'll write down first this number, then this, then this, then this, and the last, this is the smallest number. Just write down. Okay students, you have understood how to arrange the given number in ascending order and descending order. Exercise 1.2, question number 4. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. And now here the numbers are given. Let's compare according to the place value chart first. This is 179. Here this is 1000 lakh crores. 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 Okay, all are given in crores. If you see here 5 crore, 5 crores, 5 crores, 5 crores, and this is 53. 53 is the greatest number here. So we have to compare now these four numbers. Come to the lakh place. 32 lakh, 32 lakh, 32 lakh, 32 lakh. Again they are same. Comes to the thousand place. 79,000, 79,000, 79,000, 79,000. Again in this all four numbers 79,000s are same. Now we have to compare with ones place. Here is given 100 place is 6, 100 place here is 1. Here is 6 and 9. If you see here, 1 is the smallest number. That means this whole number 5 crores 32 lakh 79,169 is the smaller number. Now let us compare the remaining 3. Now if you see here is 6, 6 and 9. Again here 6, 6, 2, 2 here numbers are having 100 place same. So we have to compare with 10 place. Here it is given 7. Here is 6. That means this number is the smallest number than this number. And obviously the last number, this is the greatest. So we write down answer in ascending order. Now let's see question number B1 here. Again here 1000 lakh crores, 1000 lakh crores, 1000 lakh crores, 1000 lakh crores, 1000 lakh crores. If you see here, all are given in crores. So let's see. 43 crores here, 4 crores, 43 crores, 43 crores, 4 crores. Now if you see here, in these three numbers 43 is given and another two numbers that are given 4. That means these two we had to compare first. Now let's see the lakh place. This is 39 lakh, 39 lakhs. Both are having same numbers. 28,000, 20,000. 20,000 is small. That means this number 4 crores 39 lakh 20,000 21 is the smaller than 4 crores 39 lakh 28,000 21. Now we have to compare the remaining 3. Now if you see here, lakh place 92, 92, 92, all are same. Next is 80,000, 80,000, 86. If you see, 80 is the smallest, so we have to compare in this 100 place, ones place. Here is given 21, here is given 91. So 21 is the smallest number than 91, and obviously the remaining is your greatest number here. 86 is the greatest. So we write down in ascending order. Now students, let us solve question number 5. Question number 5 is arrange the following numbers in descending order. Now descending order means what? We have to arrange the numbers from biggest to smaller. Now let us see first one. Again here it is given 6 crore, 63 crore, 6 crore, 63 crore, 63 crores. If you say 63 crores is the biggest number. Now and the next remaining is 6 crore, which is the smallest number. So first we will compare the biggest number. Now if you see, this is 97 lakh, 97 lakh, 97 lakh. Again they are same. Now we have to read next, compare the thousand place. Here is 74,000, 74,000, 74,000. They are same. Now ones place. Here is 918, 988, 989. If you see, 918 is the smallest. Then if you compare this, it is 88 and 89. 88 is the smallest number as this. That means the smallest number is 63 crores, 97 lakh, 74,919. Then the next number is 63 crores, 97 lakh, 74,988. Then the next number is 63 crore, 97 lakh, 74,989. Now we have to compare with the next two number. Here it is given 6 crores, 39 lakh. Again here 39 lakh, same, 77,000, 77,000. And the ones place is given 498, 488. So obviously 498 is greater than 488. So here we write down in descending order in this way. Friends, let us learn about successor and predecessor. Now what is successor? Successor is the number just after the given number. Let us take one simple example. 2. The number 2. What is just after 2? 3. How 3 came? 2 plus 1 become 3. What is after 3? 4. 3 plus 1? 4. That means what we are doing here? We are adding 1. Let us take one big example. 400. What is after 400 become? 401. How 401 came? 400 plus 1 become 401. What we are doing? We are adding 1 to the given number. Let us take example. The successor of 4,56,723. Now after this number, if 23 here, 723, when we add 1, this 3 will become 4. So your answer is 4,56,724. Okay student, understood this? What is successor? Successor is just after the given number. That means what we do? We add 1. Let us see what is predecessor. Predecessor of a number is the same number but just before the given number. That means instead of adding 1, what we are doing? We are subtracting 1. Let's see. The predecessor of a number is the number just before the given number. That means what? We subtract 1 to the given number. Let us take example. The predecessor of same number I have taken. Here 4,56,723. In this I am adding, I am subtracting 1. So 3 minus 1 become 2. So your answer is 4,56,700. Instead of 23 it will become 22. So your answer is 4,56,722. Student, do you understood what is the successor and predecessor? In successor what we do? We just add 1. And in predecessor what we do? We subtract 1. Now let us see exercise 1.2. The question number 6 is what? Write the successor of the following number. Let us see the first number. First number it is given 5 crore 68 lakh 94,901. 9. In that what we do? We add 1. So 909, when we add 1, it will become 910. Rest number will be the same number. So what is your answer? 5 crores 68 lakh 94,909 will become 910. Let's take another example. Next is given 39 crores 48 lakh 90,180. Now what we are doing? We are going to add 1. So in the 0, if you add 1, 0 plus 1 will become 1. We can think that way. 180 plus 1 become 181. So your answer is 39 crores 48 lakh 90,181. Now let's see question number 7. Write the predecessor of the following number. Now first number is given 9 crores 32 lakh 19,900. Now what we are going to do here? We are going to subtract 1. When we subtract 1, that means before number. Before 900 is what? 899. So your answer is 4 crores 32 lakh 19,899. Now let's see B1. 49 crores 68 lakh 9,919. Now 919, when we subtract 1, 9 will become 8. So your answer here, instead of 919, will become 918. So this is what? 49 crores 68 lakh 9,918. Okay student, in this lecture we have studied how to compare two numbers. We have seen the place value and face value, predecessor and successor, how to arrange ascending and descending order. I think your concepts are clear and you have understood very well. Try to solve. It's not try but compulsory you have to solve exercise 1.2 from question number 1 to question number 7 in your notebook.